Welcome back to another Dollar General haul. Like I stated before in my last Dollar General haul, I haven't been to Walmart for a long while now. Okay, so I've been doing most of my shopping at the Dollar General, and today was no different. I had to grab some things, and I found some interesting things. I picked up dog food, not shown. I also picked up a 3-pack of these wooden spoons. I wanted plastic. They didn't have plastic. I think this was $1.75 or $1.50. I also picked up some Dollar General extra strength pain relief, 500 milligrams, 100 capsules, caplets. And I believe these were $2.50. I'm not entirely sure. And those are the main essentials: dog food, some pain reliever, some spoons, and I also needed some face wash, some new face wash. So at the Dollar General, the pickings are slim, but I did find something I was really intrigued about. So this is the St. Ives Hydrating Daily Cleanser in Watermelon, 6.4 fluid ounces, and I am really excited to try this. It smells good. I believe this was under $5. So I'm definitely so excited to give that a whirl. And then to go with that, I thought, why not? I picked up the St. Ives Glowing Oil-Free Face Moisturizer. And this is 1.8 ounces. And it comes in a little jar. And it was $6. But I kind of wanted to try a lightweight moisturizer. So we're going to try this out. If you guys would like a review or anything like that, definitely let me know. I would definitely don't mind doing that. And of course, I picked up a few other beauty items. Now, who remembers the last time Maybelline made nail polishes? Yeah, right? Forever ago. So they did come up with a new line, and it's called their Fast Gel Nail Lacquers. And this is Maybelline, and I was actually looking for a new royal blue shade. This actually is called Royal, I believe. It's called Royal, and it's probably not coming true to color on camera, but this is such a beautiful shade, and I thought this would be beautiful with some of the flaky nail polishes I have. And I hope it's thick and opaque, so we'll see about that as well. And before I get into the new Believe beauty items I picked up, I did see a new item from LAColors. Now, they only had this in a medium brown shade, and this is their Browy Wowie Skinny Brow Pencil. And it says it's got a skinny tip, creates hair-like strokes. I love their original Browy Wowie pencil, so I am so excited to try this one. And it comes with a spoolie end, and you get your product in here. This was $3, I believe. So I grabbed that. I also wanted to get some makeup wipes, and I hadn't had a chance to try the Believe Beauty makeup wipes yet. So I went ahead and grabbed the Rose Scented Micellar Water Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. They're in the pink packaging. They also have like a green tea one and a blue packaging. Yes, these were $4. Okay, so you get 30 wipes. It says it removes dirt, oil, and makeup without rinsing. So I'm going to test these out for you guys. All the Believe Beauty products, there'll be reviews on. There'll be Get Ready With Me's, all that stuff. So I'm excited to share this new stuff. Now, I was not hunting these items down from Believe Beauty, but because I was in there today and just happened to find them, I was kind of excited. This is not new, but I wanted to try a new Believe Beauty mascara because I'd had the High Drama Fiber one, and if you use it like it suggests on the packaging, it's a really good mascara. If you don't pay attention to the packaging and use it, you might not like it, because that's how I felt when I first used it. But now I think it's pretty good. But I picked up the Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara, and they have this in black and they have this in brown. This was, I believe, $4 and something. I don't have my receipt, but it wasn't over $5. It reminded me of a L'Oreal mascara, so I definitely wanted to try this out. They had new Believe Beauty brushes. Now, when I say they had a foundation brush, they had eyeshadow brush, crease brush, and a powder brush, and they had a sponge. Now they have an angled brush, And they have an angled eyeliner brush, and I got this one today. This was $3. This is the eyeshadow smudge brush. This is perfect for lower lash line, inner corner, and outer corner, and doing cut creases. So for $3, I really enjoy my other Believe Beauty brushes. I have the foundation brush, great. I have their sponge, great. I have their eyeshadow and crease brush, all great brushes. Good quality, and they look nice. Okay, other new products. I did get my hands on the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer. This is the universal one. It had a transparent one and a universal. I grabbed universal because I have some veins in the eye area that I'd like to conceal, and this is going to be the one better for that. Later on we may pick up the translucent and just see between the two what the difference is. Maybe it's just pigmentation, but we'll see. It looked like they just stocked the shelves today, so I did pick up one other new item from Believe Beauty, and this is their little eyeshadow palette, and it's called Love Struck. And just like the other Believe Beauty palettes that I own, I have Nearly Nude and the purples one. I tried to do as many looks with the 6 eyeshadows as I could. I challenged myself. Or you guys should challenge yourself as well when you have makeup and you buy stuff. Like, see how many looks you can create. How much use can you get out of it? Like, I love doing that personally. So I'm real excited about trying this palette out. Everyone that I've seen do looks on is so beautiful and pigmented. So we're going to be doing the same thing. Look out for Get Readies with me. Like I said, reviews. We're going to see how many looks that we can come up with using this one Believe Beauty palette. If you're also interested in other Believe Beauty videos, there'll be a whole playlist linked in the cards in the description box, and you can find that on my channel. That's all that I picked up from Dollar General. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for reviews and tutorials. Check the description box for additional links. I hope you like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Hope you all are having a blessed day, and thank you so very much for watching.